Hello, people. So, this is a small tip that I had read in an interview by Tushar from about Tushar Kapoor, the actor, and I'm seeing that it's coming true in my life right now. Look at my hands and my nails and my rings. No, but the thing is, Tushar Kapoor, the actor, says that there is something known as a morning energy. We all have it, right? So, the reason I'm saying this is right now when I'm shooting these, recording my videos in the morning, I'm it's a different kind of energy with which I'm recording. It's very different from the sort of tired energy at the end of the day and all. And there is this particular YouTuber who says that people tune into a channel basically for the energy, because information you can find anywhere. Yeah. So really, this is something it's very eye opening for me. So yeah, so that's what, anything important you finish it in the morning and the rest of the day is for you. I think it's brilliant. So yeah, it's basic common sense probably, but this is something when you do it, especially now when I look at my videos, I see that difference, the videos that were recorded in the morning and those that were done in the evening. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.